Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Concept Class. Today, we'll explore one of the most fascinating areas of artificial intelligence, natural language processing or NLP. We'll see how computers can read, understand, and even respond to human language just like we do. When we talk about natural language, we mean the way humans communicate through speech, writing, and emotion. It includes words, tone, grammar, and sometimes even sarcasm or slang. This makes human language incredibly complex and hard for machines to understand directly. Human language is full of challenges. For example, the word bank could mean a riverbank or a financial institution, depending on context. Also, the same idea can be expressed in many different ways. That's why machines need special techniques to process and interpret natural language correctly. NLP, or natural language processing, is the field that helps computers make sense of human language. It combines knowledge from linguistics, computer science, and artificial intelligence, allowing machines to understand text or speech, find meaning, and even respond intelligently. We need NLP because computers don't naturally understand words. They understand numbers. NLP helps translate language into a form that computers can process. Without NLP, apps like Google Translate, Siri, or ChatGPT wouldn't exist. NLP is everywhere in our daily lives. It powers voice assistants like Alexa and Siri, helps generate captions for videos, and enables real-time translation between languages. It's also used in sentiment analysis to detect opinions, text classification for spam filters, and keyword extraction in search engines. Every time you talk to your phone or see subtitles, that's NLP at work. NLP understands language in stages. First, it looks at individual words, that's lexicon, then it checks syntax or grammar. Next, it finds the meaning, which we call semantics. Then it applies logic to reason about what's being said. Finally, it generates a suitable response. The first stage is lexicon. This is like the AI's vocabulary book. It identifies each word, whether it's a noun, verb, or adjective, and finds its possible meanings. For instance, run can mean to move quickly or to operate a system. The AI keeps track of all these meanings. The second step is syntax. Here the AI checks how words are arranged in a sentence, just like grammar checking. It ensures that the order of words makes sense. That's how AI can tell a correct sentence from a jumbled one. The third stage is semantics, the study of meaning. Here the computer understands what the sentence actually means using context. If you say, I ate an apple, AI knows it's a fruit, but if you say, I bought an apple, it knows you're talking about the company. The last stage is logical analysis. Here, AI uses reasoning to connect ideas. It draws logical conclusions, just like we do while thinking. This makes AI responses sound intelligent and relevant. Now let's see how all of this is used in chatbots. A chatbot listens to your question, analyzes it using NLP, and replies appropriately. It's like chatting with a real assistant, but powered by artificial intelligence. There are two main types of chatbots. Scripted bots follow fixed rules. They respond only to specific keywords or patterns. But smart bots like ChatGPT learn from large data sets and use NLP to truly understand what you mean, even if you ask in different ways. Before AI can analyze text, it needs to clean it up. This step is called text normalization. It removes extra punctuation, converts text to lowercase, and reduces words to their root form, like changing running or ran to run. This helps AI handle text efficiently. One popular NLP model is the bag of words model. It doesn't care about grammar, it just counts how many times each word appears in a sentence. This number based representation helps AI detect topics, emotions, or categories in text. NLP powers so many real world tools. When you ask Alexa a question, when YouTube generates captions, when Google translates text, all of that is NLP in action. Even social media platforms use it to analyze your mood or detect spam. As we build NLP systems, we must remember ethics. If the training data contains bias or offensive content, the AI can accidentally repeat it. So, developers must ensure that language models are fair, unbiased, and privacy safe. Let's recap what we learned today. We understood how complex human language can be and how NLP helps machines understand it. We explored language layers like lexicon, syntax, semantics, and logic. We looked at chatbots, text normalization, and the bag of words model, and saw how NLP impacts our daily lives. And finally, a thought to leave you with. Can machines ever truly understand the emotions behind our words, or will they always just simulate understanding? That's the next big question in the world of artificial intelligence. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed our journey. Don't forget to like and subscribe our channel for more videos.